Hello guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. Today I'm going to take a look at 3 to 4 coins and see how they're performing in the mid of August 2020. So let's start with Ripple BTC. So this is XRP BTC chart. It is the weekly chart from Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange, and looks like we have bottomed out on the XRP on the weekly time frame, and we are moving above, and after a long time we have been able to close above this 20-day moving average, which is what I wanted to see. So many coins are performing so much better than Ripple that people really got frustrated, like why the hell is Ripple not moving while other coins have already started to move. The likes of Stellar Lumens, which normally goes hand in hand with Ripple, that seems to be taking off, and it's accelerating at a much faster rate compared to Ripple. Anyway, what are the levels that you should be looking at? Well, a couple of weeks back we touched 2800 sats on the weekly, and we got immediately rejected because that was our first profit taking place. And if you were in Ripple, that is where you should have taken some profit. If you have not and you are here for the long run, not a big deal, because once we are able to surpass 2800 sats, the next level you should be looking at is 3700 sats, and after that there is not much resistance till 5500 sats. So you can make quite a lot of profit if you enter even here right now, which is 2500 something sats, and that's more than 100% profit if you sell at 5400 sats, and around 50% profit if you sell around 3700 sats. So nothing goes up in a straight line, remember that. Let's move to Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens, for some bizarre reason, goes by STR symbol on the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. All other cryptocurrency exchanges refer to Stellar Lumens as XLM, except for the Poloniex. But I'm using this Poloniex chart because it has the longest history. This is again the weekly chart, and you can see that we were in this accumulation range from almost 1 year. You can see that from 1 July 2019 to 6th July 2020, almost 1 year, and we were in this accumulation range from where we went as low as 500 sats, and then most of the time we got rejected around 950 sats. However, we were below this 20-day moving average that was acting as resistance, but now that we are above the 20-day moving average, it is now acting as support. And the first level of resistance, obviously as marked here, was 830 sats. We must remain above this 830 sats. Incidentally, this white line that you see here, this is a 20-day moving average, and this is also at this very point at 830 sats. So we must not close below this white line to stay bullish. And we have already broken out of this accumulation range here, and hopefully by the end of this week we will close above it. It looks like we will, because on the monthly time frame the Stellar is going to have a bullish cross to the green side, and I think coming months would be really great for Stellar Lumens. If you're not in Stellar Lumens, if you can get an entry under 1000 sats, it would be great, and we are right now under 1000 sats. The next level to watch for in terms of Bitcoin, it would be 1100 sats. We got rejected at 1100 sats previously, and we could not close above the 1100 sats. Hopefully we will this time, and after that the next profit taking place would be 1376 sats, followed by 1700 sats. This is where if you entered now, you should be selling most of your coins at 1700 sats. We might accumulate in this range between 1700 sats to 1354 sats for a few more months. Then we can move to the 2800 sats. We will not go to 2800 sats in one go. If we will, good for us. Last time it did, but That was another time. That was when the Bitcoin was around $20,000 and there was so much more volume compared to last time. We don't have that much volume, so we may not go up in a straight line. Well, but it is Stellar Lumens, anything can happen, so keep a moon stack ready if you're still going really fast above the 1700 sats. It would be a good idea to have some Stellar Lumens aside. And let me take a quick look at the USDT pair as well. I'll go for the USD pair that is calculated by TradingView. Now this is the USD pair, and for fun's sake, I have it deployed a Fibonacci above it, and just to see how far we can go if we start mooning. And you can see that profit taking areas are at 18 cents, followed by 24 cents, after that 38 cents, 48, 61 cents, 75 cents, 98 cents, and this was the last stop. But if you continue to go above it, then we may touch $1.5, after that 2.5, 3.46, and $4. For the Stellar Lumens to touch somewhere around 1.5 to $2, the Bitcoin must reach somewhere between 35,000 to 40,000, which I think is a possible scenario. And if the Bitcoin has actually entered a multi-year bull market, then there's a huge possibility we may touch $1.5 and even $2.3 in the coming months / years. Now, last but not the least, let's take a look at the Litecoin. Here I'll be going for the Poloniex chart for its long history. You can see that we were in this accumulation range and we are now breaking out. This is the first profit taking area and we are already above it. It is 0.00541358. So we are already closing above it, and closing above this level would be really bullish for us, because the next target is at 0.0058 and we may touch it before the end of this month. The next target to look out for after that would be 0.0064, and after that 0.007 sats. And I think in this cycle we may touch 0.007 sats, and after that we may see a correction down to 0.0058 or 0.0064 before making another move up to 0.008 and then 0.009. Let me mark that for you guys. These two would be the next level, 0.0098 and 0.0095. So those are levels to look for. Litecoin is looking amazing right now. We are yet to have a crossover to the green side on the MACD on the monthly time frame, but I think it's just a matter of time. Keep a Litecoin bag ready. And that's all about it. Hope you liked my video, and hit the like button to show your support, and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency and IC news and price analysis. Bye bye.